Welcome friends, myself Piyasri Mondol from the JIS University. Hope all of you are doing very well. Today I am going to discuss about the solutions of WBCSC SET 2022 Life Science Paper 2. See, this is the provisional answer key as the official answer key has not yet been revealed by the WBCSC authority. I am trying from best of my knowledge to answer correctly all the questions. This is just a reference video to assess how much questions you have attempted correctly. So let's begin. Question number 1. The biological process in which nitrite and ammonium ions are converted directly into nitrogen gas and water is called anaerobic ammonium oxidation. So here the correct option is option C. Question number 2. Which one of the following legally binding climate agreements has effectively replaced the Kyoto Protocol? Here the correct option is option A, Paris Climate Accord. Question number 3. The single specimen designated or indicated as the type by the original author at the time of publication of the original description is known as holotype. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 4. Which one of the following water pollutants is responsible for blue baby syndrome? Here the correct option is option D, nitrate. Question number 5. A hypothesis that predicts a constant rate of molecular evolution among species and estimates the evolutionary rates as well as time scales using data from DNA or proteins is called molecular clock. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 6. Which one of the following enzyme systems does not perform oxidative decarboxylation? Here the correct option is option D, succinate dehydrogenase. Question number 7. Gal-Gal-NAC is a novel multifunctional virulence factor for which one of the following protozoa? Here the correct option is option B, Entamoeba histolytica. Question number 8. Sleepwalking occurs in which phase of sleep in humans? Here the correct option is option A, NREM phase. Question number 9. A zone of transition from one type of community or ecosystem to another is known as ecotone. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 10. Which hemisphere of brain is called pictures side of the human brain? Here the correct option is option B, right hemisphere. Question number 11. Which one of the following toxins causes paralytic cell fish poisoning in humans? Here the correct option is option D, saxitoxin. Question number 12. In the vertebral column of snakes, 2 additional sets of zygapophyses are present. The anterior additional set is called zygosphere. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 13. Movement of tongue is the function of 12th cranial nerve. Here the correct option is option D. Question number 14. Which type of memory is retrieved when trained driver drives a car. Here the correct option is option A, non-declarative memory. Question number 15. Abruptio placentae is a condition in which the placenta detaches permanently from wall of the uterus and can result in fetal death. The most likely reason for fetal death in this condition would be inability to get oxygen and nutrients from the mother to the fetus. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 16. When a host serves as temporary but essential environment for the completion of the life cycle of a parasite, then the host is called paratenic host. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 17. Which one of the following brain centers serve as GPS, Global Positioning System of Human Brain? Here the correct option is option D, hippocampus and entorhinal cortex. Question number 18. An endospore forming and crystal producing bacterial species used to control mosquito vector is Bacillus thuringiensis. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 19. Hydroxyurea blocks DNA synthesis if it is applied to mammalian cell culture having properly functioning checkpoint activity, then what is expected to happen? Here the correct option is option B, cell division will halt in S phase. Question number 20. Pollenkit, the tapetally synthesized adhesive material found around the angiosperm pollen grains, is characteristic of entomophilous plants. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 21. During the lifting of a heavy object, which one of the following mechanisms is used to recruit additional motor units to increase a muscle's force of contraction? Here the correct option is option B, frequency coding. Question number 22. Which one of the following scenarios will not be found in constitutive mutation of lac operon? Here the correct option is option D, a promoter unable to find RNA polymerase. Question number 23. The process of preservation of fresh forage crops by spontaneous lactic acid fermentation by epiphytic bacteria under anaerobic conditions is called ensilling. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 24. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of stomatal gourd cells? Here the correct option is option C. They do not contain chloroplasts. Question number 25. Which greenhouse gas has the highest warming potential? SF6. Here the correct option is option D. Question number 26. In tropical leguminous plant Sesbania rostrata, stem nodules are formed by the bacterium. Option A, Azorhizobium cholinesterase. So the correct option is option A. Question number 27. During photorespiration, glycolate is converted to amino acid glycine in the perioxysomes. So the correct option is option C. Question number 28. In which of the following immunity most of the individuals of human population is protected indirectly due to non-availability of adequate susceptible population? Here the correct option is option B, herd immunity. Question number 29. The steroid hormone that targets the epidermal cells which secretes the cuticle and controls the molting process in arthropods is known as ecdysone. So the correct option is B. Question number 30. An organ responsible for the sense of smell in reptiles that contains a region of chemically sensitive nerve ending is known as Jacobson's organ. So here the correct option is option B. Question number 31. For the conservation purpose, which one is habitat oriented? Here the correct option is option C, national park. Question number 32. A connecting vessel between the bases of the left and right arches in crocodilians is called foramen of Panizza. So here the correct option is option B. Question number 33. Which of the following statements is not correct for plastoquinone A involved in photosynthetic electron transport? Here the correct option is option D. It accepts electrons from cytochrome Bf complex and donates them to photosystem 1. Question number 34. A particular type of heterochrony wherein sexually mature adults possesses features characteristically found in early developmental stages is known as pedomorphosis. So here the correct option is option D. Question number 35. The petroleum nut tree native to Philippines is a candidate for petroleum plantation and belongs to the family Pittosporaceae. So here the correct option is option D. Question number 36. In the tail region of some nematodes, a pair of unicellular glands serve as chemosensory, secretory or excretory organs. They are known as phasmids. So here the correct option is option A. Question number 37. Which one of the following statements is not correct for the SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins? Here the correct option is option D. The S proteins are inactivated by the target cell proteases during viral infection. Question number 38. Hemoglobin S, G6PD deficiency and thalassemias confer resistance to. Here the correct option is option B, malaria. Question number 39. Hexokinase 2 is present predominantly in myocytes, whereas hexokinase 4 is primarily present in liver. Muscles consume glucose and utilize it for energy production. Liver maintains blood glucose homeostasis by either consuming glucose or producing glucose by gluconeogenesis. Considering these facts, choose the most appropriate statement. Here the correct option is option B. Km of hexokinase 2 is lower than Km of hexokinase 4. Question number 40. The vector of lymphatic filariasis in India is option C. Culex quinque fasciatus. So here the correct option is option C. Question number 41. Which one of the following compounds blocks electron transfer from cytochrome B to cytochrome C1? Here the correct option is option B, antimycin A. The dots is the WHO recommended strategy for controlling tuberculosis. So here the correct option is option B. Question number 43. The internalization of a prokaryote by an ancestral eukaryotic cell for giving rise to the formation of an organelle is termed as primary endosymbiosis. So here the correct option is option C. Question number 44. The tumor suppressor protein RB normally influences the cell cycle at G1 phase by inhibiting which of the following? Here the correct option is option D, E2F transcription factor. Question number 45. Perisperm is the remnant of. Here the correct option is option B, nucellus. Question number 46. Synthetic seeds are efficiently generated through encapsulating somatic embryos in sodium alginate. So here the correct option is option D. Question number 47. Effect of gibberellins in tissue culture system is to release seeds, somatic embryos, apical buds and bulbs from dormancy. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 48. Which of the following statements is correct for prions? Here the correct option is option D. The PRPSC protein is highly sensitive to protease. Question number 49. The flavonoids, which are water-soluble pigments present in the vacuoles of plants, represent phenolic compounds. So here the correct option is option A. Question number 50. Which of the following reactions is required for proofreading during DNA replication by DNA polymerase III? Here the correct option is option D, 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Question number 51. Brasinolide, the most bioactive form of brasinosteroid, was first isolated from the pollens of Brassica nepus. So the correct option is A. Question number 52. Which of the following features is not characteristic of bacterial exotoxins? Here the correct option is option C. Toxoids are not formed from exotoxins for using as vaccines. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a typical characteristic of R selected species? Here the correct option is option A, large size. Question number 54. Following table gives a list of international environmental agreements and areas covered. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 55. The amino acid that shows buffering capacity near physiological pH range is histidine. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 56. Which of the following would not be possible to address using northern blot? Here the correct option is option B. Location of restriction sites in a particular gene. Question number 57. Let us consider in analysis of variance ANOVA two-way model with one observation per cell. The degree of freedom for treatments and blocks are 4 and 5 respectively. The degrees of freedom of total sum of square will be 29. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 58. A protein conjugated with mannose 6-phosphate unit is destined to be delivered at lysosome. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 59. Which of the following statements is not correct for the tapetum, the innermost layer of the anther wall? Here the correct option is option B. It draws nutrients from the developing microspores. Question number 60. Wilt disease of sugarcane is caused by which of the following? Here the correct option is option A. Cephalosporium saccharine. Question number 61. Identify the correct option regarding steroid hormone synthesis. Here the correct option is option D. Pregnenolone, from that estradiol, from that testosterone. Question number 62. Which one of the following statements is incorrect about the peptide hormone ghrelin? Here the correct option is option D. Individuals affected by Prader-Willi syndrome show extreme obesity due to presence of an exceptionally low level of ghrelin in their blood. Question number 63. Three proteins X, Y and Z had pi values 6.8, 4.5 and 1.0 respectively. They were loaded onto a cation exchange column under increasing salt gradient. In which of the following order these proteins will be eluted? Here the correct option is option C. Z, Y, X. Question number 64. The two monolayers of a lipid membrane bilayer can be effectively separated by freeze fracture electron microscopy. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 65. A man with hemophilia has a daughter of normal phenotype. She marries a man who is normal for the trait. What is the probability that a daughter of this mating will be a hemophilic? Here the correct option is option A, 0%. Question number 66. The amino acid that lacks pKr value is glycine. So here the correct option is option C. Question number 67. Dideoxy-DNA sequencing exclusively depends on which of the following? Here the correct option is option D, termination. Question number 68. Retrotransposon would best be described as a transposable element that always passes through an RNA intermediate stage. So here the correct option is option B. Question number 69. Which of the following agents inhibits the initiation of RNA synthesis in prokaryotes by binding to the beta subunit of RNA polymerase. Here the correct option is option C, rifamycin SV. Question number 70. A list of plant products and their source organisms is given below. Which one of the following options represent a correct match between product and source organisms? Here the correct option is option B. Question number 71. The immunoglobulin isotype subclass that characteristically shows activation of complement cascade and transmembrane transport is. Here I have marked option A and D because till now I am not sure which answer is correct in between option A and option D. Question number 72. Determination of 5-methyl cytosine leads to the formation of thymine. Here the correct option is option D. Question number 73. Chemicals released from mast cells during an allergic reaction include all the following except interferons. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 74. Toxin produced by which of the following pathogenic bacterium exerts its cytotoxic effect by selectively inhibiting the protein synthesis in mammalian cells? Here the correct option is option C, Corynebacterium diphtheria. Question number 75. In biological system of classification, cladistics refers to which one of the following? Here the correct option is option B, phylogenetic analysis. Question number 76. Standard deviation SD of 81 observations is 9. The standard error SE would be 1.0. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 77. Two most common antifungal antibiotics belonging to the Pauline family are amphotericin B and nystatin. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 78. Which of the following options is appropriate for a systemic and unimodal distribution? Here the correct option is option C, mean equal to median equal to mode. Question number 79. Main function of lenticels present in the periderm is gaseous exchange. Here the correct option is option D. Question number 80. Which of the following compounds is used as the inhibitor of enzyme beta lactamase? Here the correct option is option C, clavulanic acid. Question number 81. Which one of the following is a correct match? Here the correct option is option A. Question number 82. Presence of periplasmic flagella or axial filament is one of the important distinguishing feature of spirochetes. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 83. A female is heterozygous for color blindness. Which of the following family members cannot contribute to this trait? Here the correct option is option C, paternal grandfather. Question number 84. Which of the following pteridophytes is called resurrection moss. Here the correct option is option B. Silaginella rupestris. Question number 85. The probability of maximum number of hydrogen bond formation is observed in. Here I have marked both option A and B because till now I am not sure which one is correct. Question number 86. Proteins are separated in SDS electrophoresis on the basis of their molecular size. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 87. Which of the following analytical techniques is suited for estimation of nuclear DNA content of cells? Here the correct option is option C, flow cytometry. Question number 88. The first successful interspecific somatic hybridization has been accomplished by Carlson in the genus Nicotiana. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 89. In eukaryotes, the rRNA genes are transcribed by RNA polymerase 1. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 90. Which of the following plant hormones is similar in structure to adenine? Here the correct option is option B, cytokinin. Question number 91. RFLP analysis is a technique that uses hybridization to detect specific DNA restriction fragments in genomic DNA. Here the correct option is option A. Question number 92. In brown adipose tissue, thermogenin causes uncoupling of phosphorylation from electron transfer. Here the correct option is option C. Question number 93. Spliceosome, a complex of snRNA, protein and pre-mRNA, is found in eukaryotic cell. So here the correct answer is option B. Question number 94. Linen, a textile, is made from fibers of which of following plants? Here the correct option is option B, Linum usitatis simum. Question number 95. During neuronal signal transmission, Ca2 plus enters into nerve terminals and causes fusion of neurotransmitter filled vesicles with presynaptic membrane. Elevated Ca2 plus level is sensed by synaptotagmin. Here the correct option is C. Question number 96. Valinomycin is an ionophore that is responsible for downhill transmembrane transport of K+. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 97. Sterols are essential components in the plasma membrane of mycoplasma. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 98. Irreversible degeneration of myelin sheath occurs in multiple sclerosis. Here the correct option is option B. Question number 99. A number of membrane phospholipids are made of glycerol backbone. Identify the membrane phospholipid component that lacks the glycerol backbone. Here the correct option is sphingomyelin. Question number 100. Phosphatidylserine is not involved in the signaling for hypersensitivity reaction. Here the correct option is option D. So friends, if this video is helpful to you, please do like, share and subscribe.